Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick little project share to share with you guys, just to show you guys a few embellishments that I've been working on. I have posted them on Instagram, so if you follow me over there, you would have seen these already, but I wanted to show it to my YouTube people because sometimes they don't have Instagram and they don't have any other social media but YouTube, so I like for them to get a chance to see what I create as well. So you guys, I made a bunch of Starburst embellishments and I will bring them up. Let me see if I can bring down the focus a little bit so you guys can see them. And then you guys, well, let me show you guys these first. And these are so easily made. The idea came from Kenzie Scraps. She posted some that were like stitched all the way around from a die that she bought from Alina Crafts. But I cut mine out from the silhouette, and I will have the SVG down below so you guys can create some. The SVG actually comes with just 2 Starburst, and then of course I minimized one and made it a trio. You could even make a bigger one. You can do whatever you want with the Cricuts, so that's the fun part about having that machine. But yeah, you guys, I used, let me bring, well, I don't think I have it around here. I used Dear Lizzy. Now I'm gonna have to go get it because I want to tell you guys what I used. 1 second. Okay, here's the paper pad, oops, that I used. It's Stay Colorful by Dear Lizzy. Super bright, perfect for this season, summertime, fun. But which one did I have in my hand? This one right here. So I used that paper and I cut out a bunch of different colors so that I can mix it in. I used some gold thread. Mine is from Walmart. I have the puffy stickers to the collection, so of course I used that. And the little word phrases are from Maggie Holmes. These cute little hearts are some hearts that Alicia sent me in some Happy Mail. And then I did some little dots with the Nouveau drops. And that's how this one turned out. I absolutely love it. And then let me show you guys what these, I'm gonna put 2 at a time in my hand. Look at this, you guys. Did they not turn out so cute? When I saw Kenzie's tutorial, I was just blown away, but I didn't want to have to wait for a die, so of course I always turn to my Cricut and look for an SVG file that I can create the same thing. On this one, I didn't use any gold ribbon. I used some of that, I forgot what they call this. Every time I do a video, I forget what that thread is called, but it's kind of like, it's like not a sewing thread, but the one that you make friendship bracelets with, like that. I did a little wooden star on this one. Excuse my nails, they look horrible, but we can get past that. We got some little mermaid puffies, some more little Nouveau drops, and some more of those little phrases from the Maggie Holmes sheet. This is one of my favorites, you guys. I put 2 little gemstones on the bicycle. So cute. I need to get some Nouveau drops that are more lighter in color because I felt like the ones that I have are too dark. But you guys, these are so fun to make. All you have to do is layer them. I have it layered. I'm going to show you guys inside. I have it layered with a foam. I have the thread on the foam all the way in the back. Then I have another foam in there. And then you just stick some stickers there or whatever you like. Super easy, you guys. It took me a little bit, 10 minutes to finish all of these. I think I took longer to cut them than anything else. Look at these, you guys. Super cute. Then you can package them up and send them off. Super fun. I absolutely love them. And then of course I have some other embellishments to show you guys. I did some layered butterflies. This is using another SVG from Paige Evans, and I made a bunch of these. I'm going to show you. These are so cute. I layered the butterflies and then I sewed right through the middle. And this one I used, I don't remember what paper I used. I think I just used some scraps that I had laying around. And that's what I made them with. But Paige Evans has like 4 different butterflies. I think it's like 4 different butterflies. And I'll have them listed down below, so you guys can definitely go check them out. Look at that, you guys. So cute. I made a bunch. And you can just stick these in a cute little bag, or you can package them up in a little gift box. So many, look at this. So that way we're not here forever. If you guys remember, I even used them on my project. I think these are so versatile. You can put them on anything and it will make any project look amazing. And then the last thing I want to show you guys are my favorites, are these cute little painter palettes. And these are also an SVG file, which I will have linked down below. So if you guys want to recreate it, you can do so. But I stitched around the whole painter palette, and these were inspired by Paige Evans' memory decks cards. She made a bigger version using her whimsical collection. So I used one of her collections, but I kind of tweaked it a little bit, made it a little smaller, a little bit more like an embellishment. I did stitch all the way around, stitched around the circle, and then what I did was I used on the little chips of where the paint is supposed to go, I used my gold marker that I always talk about to you guys by Painters. This is a new one, but I have one that I'm using right now, but this is the marker. And what I did was I went around all the little pieces just to give it that little pop, and I think it turned out so cute. I cut out with my SVG not only the painter palette but as well as these little brushes. I just cut off the brush tip and I added a little tassel because I thought that that would be so cute, and it did, you guys. It turned out so cute. Look at this. Who wouldn't like to receive an embellishment like this? I think they're so unique and beautiful. Look at this one, you guys. But yeah, those are all the embellishments that I've been creating lately. Stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to be sort of showing you guys another type of altering video. But thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for all the beautiful comments you constantly leave me. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.